Hi guys and welcome back. So today we're making double chocolate hot cross buns. Let's begin. Into your mixing bowl of choice you will want to place your flour, your cocoa powder, along with your sugar, your spices and butter, and then mix that on a low speed until the butter is incorporated. You will also want to add in your salt and mix that in at this point too. Just give the bowl a little scrape down to incorporate any bits that have built up on the sides. Next you'll want to add in your wet ingredients, which is the eggs, the water and then your yeast. You will then want to mix that until a clear dough has formed. So once you can see your dough starting to come together, you will then want to add in your chocolate and mix that until it's incorporated. Remove your dough from the bowl, put onto a floured surface and knead briefly, then put into a lightly oiled bowl and then leave to prove for around an hour. So once your dough has proved, you will then want to knock it back. This is just a process of removing the gases that have built up in the dough while you were proving it. So you'll want to get your dough and divide it by 12, as this recipe does make 12 hot cross buns. Then you'll want to round the balls of dough off into more of a circular shape and then put them onto a lined tray and cover and then prove again for around 45 minutes or until they're doubled in size. So to make the crossing paste that goes on top of the hot cross buns, it's just a few tablespoons of flour with some water. Mix that until you've got a thick enough paste that will go over the buns. That's it. So now that the secondary proof has been done, you can remove the cling film, as you don't no longer need this now. You can then pipe over your crosses. I will show you how to do that next. So once you've got the cross on your hot cross buns, you are then ready to bake them. I will leave the baking times and temperatures in the description down below. So once your hot cross buns come out of the oven, you will then want to make a glaze that goes on top. It's just equal parts of honey and boiling water, and you brush this over the top of them and then you're done. So once these are fresh out of the oven, you'll want to get your glaze and start brushing it over with a pastry brush. You can do it however you like, but this is the way I do it. So that's how easy it is to make double chocolate hot cross buns. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me. I'll be back next week with a Easter theme video. Why don't you make these and take them to your Easter celebration in a couple of weeks? Makes sense to me. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.